everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies. This is our favorite dessert and I'll be showing you how I make them. So we have here a bowl and I'm gonna put a cup of salted butter.
There's nothing better for an arm feeling
and then
soldiers and warehouses.
1.5 cup of sugar. This is 1 cup brown sugar and half cup light brown sugar.
For a start, he was handsome. He was a highly decorated hero.
We will gonna mix it until it gets like a cream mixture or consistency. So while waiting, let's combine all the dry ingredients. I have here 3 cups of flour, and then half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Let's mix together. Let's add 2 eggs. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay. Let's add the flour. I'll just use my spatula to scrape the side of the bowl. Now we're gonna add the chocolate chips. This is 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 cup dark chocolate chips. Okay, so it's time to mold the cookies. Amoy pa lang. Masarap na, guys. Ayan. So before we shape our cookies, I'll preheat the oven. It should be 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the temperature, guys. And let's put a parchment paper in the baking pan. If you have an ice cream scoop, mas maigi. Kaso kasi yung meron kami is ito, which is hindi magiging equal yung size niya. So, eyeball na lang natin, guys. Yan. So, ganito yung, this is the size, guys. Make sure to put distances in between the dough kasi magpa-flatten siya para hindi siya mag-dikit-dikit. Okay. Ayan, so let's put the dough in the oven and bake it for like 8 to 10 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll set it for 8 minutes. Let's bake another 2 minutes kasi hindi pa siya luto. So after 10 minutes, kunin na natin yung cookies natin. And let's put the other tray. The second batch. This time we will set it for 10 minutes. Ayan, so after taking oven, let it rest muna sa ating baking pan. Ayan, before transferring it to the cooling rack. After 5 minutes of resting, let's go into our cooling rack. Ayan.
The best part about these chocolate chip cookies is they stay soft, chewy, and gooey even after sitting on the counter for a few days. They never get tough, which is why I highly recommend giving this recipe a try. I'll be posting the ingredients in the description box.
So for this recipe, I've made 25 cookies and I'm gonna try one. Ayan.
So I'm halfway done boozing away myself. Something pretty interesting. Oh, maybe like a pop
Sarap niya, guys. Soft. Hindi siya matigas. Diba? Perfect. Not too sweet. Saktong tamis lang. Craving satisfied. Ang sarap, guys. Makaka-addict. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed my vlog for today, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my page. Bye-bye.